Hey, welcome to Body Science Academy YouTube channel, a holiday with deep cultural and historical roots. But for many people today, it's also a day of celebration,
This is the
often
best
involving
parade
alcohol.
ever.
Instead of focusing on the party, today we're going to follow alcohol on a very different journey, from the moment it enters your body to the organs it interacts with, and finally to that not-so-pleasant feeling known as a hangover. There's a lot to cover, so let's get started. First, an important clarification. Alcohol, more accurately known as ethanol, is a toxin. While some studies suggest that very small amounts may offer limited benefits, the scientific evidence is inconsistent, and it would be difficult to call alcohol truly healthy. This isn't judgment. If you're of legal drinking age and choose to drink responsibly, that's your decision. Just understand what your body has to deal with when you do. The mouth, oral cavity. Alcohol's journey begins in the mouth. The inside of your mouth is lined with mucosal tissue, which is capable of absorbing small amounts of alcohol. In reality, however, this absorption is minimal. Only a tiny fraction enters the bloodstream here. Most of the alcohol continues its journey downward. The esophagus. Once swallowed, alcohol passes through the pharynx and into the esophagus. A structure called the epiglottis blocks the airway, ensuring liquid doesn't enter the lungs. From there, alcohol travels down the esophagus and into the stomach. The stomach. The stomach is the first major site of alcohol absorption, accounting for roughly 10 to 15%. This is where food becomes important. If your stomach is empty, alcohol moves quickly into the small intestine, leading to faster absorption into the bloodstream. If food is present, the stomach releases acid, and a structure called the pyloric sphincter slows alcohol's exit, delaying absorption. This is why drinking on an empty stomach hits harder and faster. The small intestine. The majority of alcohol absorption occurs in the small intestine. Here, alcohol passes into the bloodstream and is transported directly to the liver. The liver. The liver is the body's primary detoxification organ. Once alcohol arrives, it encounters an enzyme called alcohol dehydrogenase, which converts ethanol into acetaldehyde. Here's the problem. Acetaldehyde is more toxic than alcohol itself. Fortunately, the liver uses another enzyme to convert acetaldehyde into acetate, a substance the body can safely process. However, when alcohol is consumed quickly or in large amounts, the liver can't keep up, and alcohol remains in circulation. The heart and lungs. From the liver, alcohol enters the bloodstream and reaches the heart. The heart pumps this blood to the lungs, where alcohol evaporates into the air sacs. This is why alcohol can be detected on your breath, and how breathalyzers work. Some alcohol leaves the body this way, but most continue circulating. The brain. Alcohol now reaches the brain. Here, it affects neurotransmitters such as dopamine, serotonin, GABA, and glutamate. The result is a combination of euphoria, lowered inhibitions, slower reaction time, and impaired judgment. This is why alcohol changes behavior, making risky decisions feel like great ideas. Hormones and stress response. Alcohol also activates the sympathetic nervous system, your fight or flight response. Heart rate increases, stress hormones like cortisol rise, adrenaline is released. You may feel energized, confident, and stimulated, even while your decision-making ability declines. The kidneys and dehydration. Alcohol suppresses a hormone called antidiuretic hormone, or ADH. ADH normally helps your body retain water. Without it, the kidneys produce more urine. The result? Frequent urination, dehydration, loss of electrolytes. This sets the stage for the next day hangover. The hangover. Hangovers are still not fully understood, but they are likely caused by a combination of factors: dehydration, acetaldehyde toxicity, sleep disruption, hormonal imbalance. Common symptoms include headaches, nausea, fatigue, loss of appetite. Despite countless home remedies, the only proven cure is time. Final thoughts. Alcohol affects everyone differently. Sex, age, genetics, body composition, food intake, and overall health all play a role. The goal isn't to shame or lecture, but to understand what's happening inside your body. With that understanding, you can make more informed choices. And if you do choose to drink, please do so responsibly. And maybe keep your pants on. Subscribe our YouTube channel if you found this video helpful.